Hello, Jay Weaver with Jay's Software, back for another training on Genius Messenger. We're going to talk about tags. Went ahead and added these in. I'm going to delete them out just to add them back in. We're going to talk about tags. This is a way to make it, again, simple, easy, fast for searching. So if you tag people for makes it easier to find them again. You can do whatever tags you want. If you've got partners in your program, maybe you want to tag people as a partner. And then again, you can edit the tag. You can change the color of the tags. This works just like labels. It's just a different feature. So you want all your family tagged. We'll say put family in blue. And then once you're on the one way is to add tags right here. So, let's refresh. Let's pull the new information in. You can say he's family. Just click add. There it is. Then say we got Philip here. We could add him as partner. Click add. So when you're on the here, you can do tags. Click on the tags. You only want to see partners. It only pulls up Philip. See partners and family, pulls up both. Just see family, pulls up David. So it's really simple and easy for the search feature when you tag people to make, just again, save you time. That's what we're about here. Thank you.